just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, 'cause the pain is in my eyes.
Hi guys, how are you all doing? I'm doing great. Here are the last 2 days of exams. Finally, the day which I've been eagerly waiting for has arrived. And here am I, trying to fit 1000 pages into my brain in the last 2 hours. At this point, even my books are tired of me. Bro, why does time move so fast before exams and so slow during exams? So I had my physics exam that day. I revised it perfectly, wrote my exam well. The question paper was easy too. Well, my morning routine is totally different during exams as compared to other normal days. I wake up so early out of nowhere that I don't even need an alarm to wake up. Especially for the exams like Math and Math B, मेरी नींद automatically खुल जाती है at 4:30. So I keep revising and studying till it's 7:30. Then I take a shower, collect my hall ticket, fill my water bottle, have a good and wholesome breakfast. I prefer eating heavy breakfast before exam because if I starve, my brain doesn't function properly and I can't write my exam well. Later after coming home, I take a quick nap and here's what I do. By the way, before studying, a cup of tea is must. Hey guys, long time since we had a face-to-face talk. So I gave all my exams well. My physics exam went well too. In one day, I have my chemistry exam on Thursday and it's the last and final exam. Obviously, अगर last exam है तो it's my duty to write it well. अभी मैं vacation enjoy कर सकती हूँ क्या? Vacation? किसकी vacation? कौन सी vacation? कोई vacation नहीं है. भाई, after these exams, I have to give my MCET exam. We have the JEE second attempt and many other entrance exams. अब आप ही बोलो, कौन सा vacation मनाए हम? पढ़ना तो पड़ता है बेटा. We are in 12th grade. This is what our parents say, and we be like, but पढ़ाई से ज्यादा होती है distraction. And at the end of the day, we'll be like, यार आज हमने कुछ नहीं पढ़ा. But the same thing we continue the next day also. We'll have my chemistry exam in one day and I have to prepare इतने सारे reactions. Let's start our preparation. It's high time. And yes, I'm randomly flexing my mic. What's the clarity of voice? Do you like this or the original voice? Bye guys. Chemistry is all about chemical equations and reactions, and we have to do a lot of cramming before the exam, and that's what I did. So the last exam was actually good but was also hectic. Preparation hard tha, but exam went very well. But it was all worth it at the end. And finally, the last day of exam. Okay guys, this is it. My last exam. Just a few more hours and I'm free. Oh, we are done already? All of us be like, exams done. Buy books. See you never. The first thing after exams, sleep. 12 hours of uninterrupted happiness. इतनी खुशी की नींद आती है ना. Not just me, every one of us have a good sleep on the day we are done with exams. And then food, because stress eating during exams wasn't enough. भाई, I was craving for ice cream from so long, but my parents were like, exams के time पे no बाहर का food and no cold items because I catch cold easily. But that day I was done with my exams and I was really enjoying my chotu sa cup of ice cream. The last and our most favorite, listening to our favorite playlist of songs after a very long time and completing watching the movies which have been in our wish list since the exams have started. Exams शुरू होती है हमारे दिमाग में ऐसे plans बनते हैं ना कि पूरा साल हम उन plans के बारे में सोचते ही नहीं. During the exams we be like, अबे यार ये exams कब खत्म हो जाएंगे, कब हम इन plans को complete करेंगे. But exams खत्म होती है, the first thing is being lazy. The next day I started decluttering my room. I removed all my inter books, put it in a large container and pushed it under my bed because मेरा भाई अभी 10th grade में है. Maybe these books are useful for him, but people are saying कि syllabus change हो सकता है, but for a good sake, let's put it aside. Then the next thing I have to prepare is for MCET. I was just going through my notes I made during my JEE preparation and the days are hitting so bad because इतना सारा preparation करने के बाद भी. But you know what? Our preparation is nothing in front of the ones who have been studying for IIT JEE since their 8th, 6th grades. भाई, a good big salute to all of you. I literally had a bunch of worksheets in my file which are of no use. I have to throw them all. And one fun fact is I like making short tricks. And for those short tricks, I use such cardboards. इसको cardboard नहीं बोलते, इसको sheet बोलते हैं. And my brother loves Jockey brand and whenever we do shopping, we get such sheets and we don't waste them. You know, my mom is like, YouTube है भाई तेरे को, तू shortcut सीख, अपने audience को भी सिखा. And I'm like, Mummy, yaar. To be honest, my mom is the one who pushes me to keep uploading videos on YouTube. Whenever I feel demotivated, I don't upload YouTube videos. You have noticed it. Because my mom is the one who pushes me and she's like, तेरा passion है by YouTube. Don't forget that. Keep uploading. because who knows what happens in the next minute. कुछ भी हो सकता है यार, miracle. But I keep following my passion for now. The next day I had my breakfast. आज से मेरा plan था कि चलो MCET start करते हैं. अभी it was Saturday that day and obviously it's a weekend. Weekend के दिन पढ़ाई करने का mood क्या होता है? But my brother was having exams. My brother is from SSC board and in SSC the 10th board exams are still going on. So even if it's weekend, I had no plans to go out because my brother had exams and I somehow sat down to study, but I didn't do more than 10 questions. I'm being very honest here because exams खत्म होते हुए 2 दिन ही हुए भाई. 2 दिन में मेरे को कोई मोटिवेशन नहीं आता फिर से बैठ के पढ़ने का. But I'm really scared for MCET. I have to start preparing it at any cost because that's the only way I can get a good engineering college in Telangana. The level of MCET is low as compared to JEE and hence I have all my hopes on MCET exam. If you guys are my OG subscribers, you must have known that during vacation or during holidays, the one thing I develop interest is in cooking. I try out a new recipe or either I cook something very normal but still I love cooking food. That day I was craving for some sweet and it was IPL. IPL has started and it was SRH versus RR that day. SRH, oh bhai, no words to describe how well SRH is playing and has been playing since the last season. I'm obsessed with my team. So uski jeet manane ke liye I made gulab jamun. Well, that's it for today guys. See you all soon again with a new vlog. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Love you all. Bye.